Hey guys, welcome back to another Chiefpep video. So it has been a while. I've skipped 1 week because I just clearly didn't have any content. I still don't have any content, but I want to give you a preview of what is coming next, or not really a preview. I want to give you a update what is coming up after the holiday, because I am completely in a holiday setting. I'm preparing my car for a camping trip that we're going to do for 3 weeks, so I'm making everything ready. I had to clean up my garage kind of because all my gear is here in my closets. So yeah, that's what I'm doing now. And in the meantime, the stuff is at the spray painter. Now, everybody who's a fan of my Facebook page, see the link below, already seen some pictures. They are really doing their things at the spray painter, really serious. There were some dents in the fuel tank. Even though the fuel tank looked great before I brought it, it had some dents and everything. So they really wanted to undo it from those dents rather than filling it up with filler. Why? Because if you fill those dents up with filler, it could be that if your fuel tank is in the sun, for instance, or cold and warm, that there will be some cracks in your paint because the filler is a different material than the aluminum tank, obviously. So they're really undenting it and really filling it up. And now the latest pictures that you've probably seen is that it's completely in the in ground finish before they start spray painting it. I don't think that I will get it back before I leave on my holiday, because I'm going this Friday. So there's only 3 days left or something. So yeah, and I'm readying everything with my car, and I don't even know if it's useful to pick it up before I go on a holiday, because then I immediately want to put it on the bike and everything. So I think I'd rather leave it there and pick it up after my holiday. It's unfortunate, but it's just the way it is. So after my holiday, which will be a break of 3 weeks and maybe 4, something like that. So end of August, I will start continuing uploading my videos, because we have a few things left. Of course, the fuel tank and everything needs to go on the bike. That's one. Then I'm gonna ride it without a upholstering. I'm gonna ride it because I wanna break in those oil scrape and piston rings. I want to break them in myself before I bring it to the dyno jet, because the dyno jet want to have some performance in the bike, and if it's completely new, then that wouldn't be so good. So I first want to ride it myself. So that's what I'm going to do with the fuel tank on it. Then we need to do the dyno jet, and after the dyno jet we're going to do the upholstering. So that's 3 things that you will definitely see in my future videos. So probably that will be a few videos, obviously. So if you're new here to this channel, subscribe to my channel, because this channel isn't finished because my project is almost finished. And if you are subscribed, and you are, because by the way, I already almost forgot, I've entered the 6,000 subscribers. That's unbelievable. Thank you so much for all this engagement and all the liking and all the subscriptions, because that's great. It really gives me a confirmation that you're enjoying this channel. But if you are a subscriber, one of those 6,000 subscribers, make sure you put on the notification bell, because I'm not sure when I will upload the upcoming video. And if you put on that notification bell, it's in the corner there, then you will get a notification when I upload my first video. And it's always good to also subscribe to my Facebook channel, because sometimes it's easier for me to just post some pictures where I was, or what I've seen, or what I get posted, for instance, from the spray painter. It's nice for me to upload those there. And if you subscribe to my Facebook channel, I will promise you that that will be the first look of how the tank will be finished, because I am sure that when I'm on my holiday, I will get these WhatsApp images of the spray painter. Your tank is finished. and I will upload those on Facebook. So that will be the first look for you guys that are subscribed to my Facebook channel to see how the colors are. Of course, the panels and everything are not on the bike. It will be probably just a view of here are your parts, they are ready. But I will upload those on my Facebook channel, okay? And of course I will mount them in a video, and that's something that you will see here on YouTube. So for me now it's holiday. So for me it's now a pause. For you it's a pause as well. Unfortunately I have no videos. Maybe if I'm going to Italy, so maybe if there is something special going on in Italy or really cool bikes that I see, I will make a picture and I will post those on Facebook as well, so we still can have some contact. In the meantime, I wish you all the very great holiday. I thank you again so much for all your subscriptions and all your likes and all your comments and all the comments that I get from email. And you know probably that I will all answer them as soon as I can. Or if you send me direct messages, I will answer those. Thank you so much, everybody. And I wish you a very great holiday, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.